Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable hot corners in Windows 11 using a simple application. And now let's get started. To enable hot corners on your Windows 11 system, the easiest method involves using a small application from the Microsoft Store. First, open the Windows search bar and type the word Store. Select Microsoft Store from the search results to open it. Once the store has fully loaded, use its search functionality to look for an application named Xiaomi Hot Corners for Windows. Click on the Get button to begin the download and installation process. Because this application is being installed through the official Microsoft Store, it is considered a safe option. The installation may take a few moments, so you can allow it to complete in the background while you continue with your other tasks. After the installation is finished, you will be able to utilize the Hot Corners feature on your Windows device. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.